Hello, everybody. This is Brian from AvocaData, and today we're going to go show you how to set up your DNS for your domain to set up your own white label data marketplace. This is required if you want to list data for sale, upload data, or to build any custom lists and customize the data to leads environment in the way you want to. The way we're going to go and do this is we're going to go use our domain clinical sponsor. We're going to go click on our domain button. We'll see the DNS. And once you get to this point, stop. Now go back to AvocaData, click on the white label button, and we'll see we have our type A and our IP address right here. Now, once you're at this part, you're 50% done. Copy this IP address. And when you go back to your DNS where we went to in the first step, click on Add New Record. And in the first thing, you'll see Type. You click that and you'll see all these letters and stuff and whatnot. Click A. Why are we clicking A? Because that's the type that AvocaData wants you to use. Now, right over here where you see name, this is where you can basically create the prefix, which means, do you want it to be www? Do you want it to be app? Do you want it to be data? Do you want it to be Miami Marlins? Whatever. You can do it however you want. But for purposes of this right now, I'm going to do app. I copy and paste that IP address for the value. Just leave this at half hour, the TTL. Click save. This updates. So we can go back over to our AvocaData white label environment. And what we need to do here is, obviously, we have to tell it what domain to use, and we need to tell it what is the direct address. So we used app, paste that in. That's clinical sponsor recruitment network in the USA. And the final thing that we can go up and do, hit white label dashboard, look up the domain. And if it worked, you should see this, because I never set up my SSL certificate on GoDaddy. We can go and hit proceed. Right now, we are presented with a white void. That means you were successful. So the next step of everything you would need to do is navigate over to your website customization. Probably the first thing that makes things work the best is let's go put some color in it. So we're no longer looking at a white void. Hit save, and when we go back to our site, we can now see that the colors have been totally refreshed. And check out some other videos of the custom website pages you can build. You don't need WordPress. You can build a full-on website with AvocaData. Stay subscribed, drop a link below, ask any questions, and thank you.